You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, we are seeing the Bitcoin price surging to the upside and the price of Bitcoin at 17.2k level at this very area. And one thing very important is in my previous video, this very video right here, I talk about the market moving to the upside. You should pay attention to that. Reason why we were seeing a very sluggish movement on the MACD around this very area, and I said that because of this reduced momentum on the MACD histogram at this very point, that means you should not expect an aggressive move to the downside, and we're going to see the market move to the upside. Not only that, 4 days ago I talked about the market moving up after this very movement right at this very area on this very chart, and I said market is going to move to the upside. Exact same thing we are seeing right now. And I also talk about the markets moving in January and March. Between this period, we're going to see a significant move in the market, and this is just the beginning of that very move, guys. And one thing very important you need to pay attention to on the chart is this very level of resistance, because I am expecting the market to keep moving to the upside from where the market is right now. I'm expecting the market to still move to the upside to this very area of 18k level. This is where I am expecting resistance, and this level of 17,800. That means I am expecting the market to still move to the upside from this area into this level of 18 and 17.8k level at this very point. This is where I am expecting the market to find a significant retracement back to the downside before the next continuation again. And one thing you have to also pay attention to is, if you look at the MACD very well, you see that the MACD histogram is just forming right here on the positive side of the MACD, which means an increase in this MACD histogram momentum also signifies that the market is going to still move to the upside, in as much as we are seeing a very great widened distance between the MACD line right at this area and the signal line below it. And this is what you need to pay attention to, because the market is going to still move to the upside, in as much as we're going to see a retracement continuation on the lower time frame. But on the 1 day chart, keep your eye on this very level of 17.8k and 18k dollars. This is where I am expecting this market to move into as we move into this new year of trading. So on the 4-hour chart here as well, you see the market has moved significantly from this area after this breakout on this very level of resistance. And what I am expecting right now is a pause of this very level of resistance at this very area before we see the market move back down again. That means and this is market to move into this very level of resistance. Market should move a little bit into this area. Then from here, because we have resistance at this very point, then we have resistance here as well. So from this area of 17,500 to 17,400, I am expecting resistance from here to the downside. That also implies that I am looking at the market still moving into this very level of resistance. Market should move here, and then we'll see correction before continuation again to the upside. This is what I am paying attention to on the 4-hour chart BTC USDT. And then if you look at the MACD just started formation on the positive side with an increase in the momentum on the histogram, and that also indicates that the markets have capacity of still moving a little bit to the upside, in as much as we continue to see a divergence between the MACD line and the signal line at this very area of the chart. So this is what you also need to pay attention to right now on the MACD. In as much as the MACD histogram continued to have a big momentum to the upside on the positive side, and then the dilation between the signal line and the MACD line keep very far apart, we're going to see the market keep moving to the upside. And this is where I am expecting retracement to take place before the next retracement, before continuation again to the upside. So pay attention to this very price of 17,400 and 17,500 on the 4-hour chart. Then on ETH, we see the same thing on ETH. It has moved significantly, but this level of resistance is very, very important right now. So pay attention to this level of resistance right now on ETH USDT 4-hour chart, and expect retracement on ETH from this very area of $1,338 to this place where the market is right now of $1,322. So from this area, expect retracement on ETH USDT 4-hour chart, in as much as we also see a dilation between the MACD line and the signal line at this area, plus an increase in momentum on the MACD histogram at this very point. This is an indication that the market is going to move to the upside, but you see the market has already moved significantly to the upside on ETH, so pay attention to the market, retracing before continuation to the upside again, because market must retrace every impulses before continuation again in the market. So this is what I am paying attention to right now. And moreover, you have to understand that if you look at the 1 week chart ETH, you see the markets have been right down, and this is just the beginning of the move to the upside. You have to understand that the bottom is right at this very point, right at this area, and once we can break this level of resistance right here, on this level of resistance right here, these two levels of resistance are very important. Once we break this level of resistance of 1,600 and this level of resistance of 1,900 approximately, then we are going to see a very good move in the market. And this breakout on this resistance on the 1 week chart will also indicate that the bull market is already in place. So this is what you need to pay attention to. And what are you looking at on the 4-hour chart and on the 1-day chart on BTC? Do you think this market is going to see approach the upside to this very level of 18k and 17,800, just like I am talking about in this video? Comment below in the comment section. Do you think the market is going to flip back down and we begin to see the market move to the downside? Comment below in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.